Mia. Puta Grande.
Check out this pre-owned 2016 Dodge Ram 2500. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 142,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, and has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, CD player, and keyless entry.
These trucks don't stay long, so visit the store. Don't be a window shopper. So please visit www.classicmotorsinc.com.